Mr. Michael, are you on any drugs today or alcohol? Sure you understand what's going on, where you are?
Yes, Judge. I'm sitting on the edge of bed and I can sit up a little bit.
You're still what?
I'm sitting on the edge of bed. On the edge of a bed, I can sit up a little bit.
Okay, well, I'm just concerned about your slurred speech and your jerky movements there. That maybe you're under the influence of something.
However, I mean, but they actually, I did fall asleep, but I woke up before they came in here and told me I had to court.
I don't know that he's going to remember this hearing.
This guy shows up to court 2 hours late, clearly drunk or high, acting like nothing's wrong, that he didn't even wake up on his own. 2 cops had to go to his house and drag him out of bed because the judge was about to issue a warrant for missing court. He walks in looking like he just lost a fight with his couch. Honestly, no one knows what he's on, but it's giving serious gas station cocktail energy. Let me know in the comments what you think this guy took before showing up, because this is about to be a total courtroom disaster. Let's roll the clip.
Working yet?
You're mumbled.
Is it working yet?
No. Your audio.
So, I've been on since 3:30. Yeah, I didn't know my video was working.
It doesn't count if you're not there when I call your name. You owe those officers that came by your house a debt of gratitude, or you'd be sitting in jail.
Yes, ma'am.
You thank them for coming by and making that public service to you.
Yes, ma'am. You're working now, ma'am?
I'm serious, Mr. Michael. You owe those gentlemen some gratitude.
For sure.
If they hadn't been willing to go by your house and wake you up, I would have just issued bench warrants.
Hey,
All right, let's get
my
on.
video is working, isn't it?
Let's get on with the order of business here. You were supposed to be here at 1:30 and it is now 3:05, and you wouldn't even be here now if the officers hadn't gone to your house or wherever you are and woke you up. Apparently you're not at home.
Yeah, ma'am. Not until this court date, I hope.
Apparently they knew where to find you. So again, you're lucky in that respect. All right, we're going on the record now, sir. Are you awake?
Yes, ma'am.
You sure you understand what's going on, where you are?
Yes, Judge.
All right. We are on the record in 2023 CR 80 and 2023 CR 96, both captioned State of Kansas versus Jacob William Michael. The state appears by and through County Attorney Jill Gillette. Mr. Michael appears in person and pro se via Zoom. It is now 3:07 p.m. and he was to be here at 1:30. He called in and then apparently fell asleep and didn't answer. So the officers had to go by his home to try to find him, to wake him up.
Oh, can't.
Couldn't find him, so they went to another location he might be at, and they found him and woke him up. This was a public service the officers did. They didn't have to, but they have saved bench warrants for Mr. Michael. Mr. Michael, you need to pick a location, stay seated, and keep your camera on you, please.
I don't know about you, but this guy is making me nervous just watching him. That he can't sit still for more than a second. Constantly moving, twitching, mumbling. How drunk do you think he is? Because I doubt he'll even remember being in this hearing tomorrow to this point. I can't tell if he's drunk, high, or just stuck in a glitch that it's like his body's buffering every few seconds. And if you're trying to look normal in front of a judge, maybe don't rock back and forth like you're on hold with customer service in your brain. He's giving off pure Florida man in a courtroom vibes, and honestly, that should be a crime itself. The judge reads his charges. Domestic battery. He's accused of hitting or touching a family member in an angry way. Disorderly conduct. Basically acting loud and aggressive. Property damage. Breaking someone's phone. Each charge comes with possible jail time and fines, but the judge says he might skip jail if he gets a proper evaluation and follows treatment recommendations. Then the judge notices something's off. His speech is slurred, he's twitching, and his movements are jerky. She asks, "Are you on drugs or alcohol?" He says, "No, ma'am. I'm just sitting on the edge of my bed." But it's obvious something's wrong. He's scratching his skin, twitching nonstop, and looks completely out of it that he says he fell asleep before the officers came, which pretty much confirms he was a mess before court even started. This is where everything falls apart for him, that he's scratching, twitching, and looking like his body's running on 1% battery. That IT doesn't even look like alcohol. It's something stronger. Whatever it is, it's not over the counter, and the worst part, he doesn't even try to hide it. He could have at least turned off his camera or blamed bad Wi-Fi. Instead, he's just sitting there looking like a zombie extra from The Walking Dead. The judge finally has enough. She says if he were in the courthouse like this, she'd order him to be arrested and tested right there. Since he's at home, she issues a bench warrant for his arrest and tells the officers to pick him up and test him. If he's sober, they'll bring him back for another hearing. If not, they'll wait until he sobers up. So the cops go back to his place and take him to jail until he sobers up. They literally had to wake him up to even get him to court, which is insane. The judge clearly wasn't shocked. It's like she's seen this guy before. She handled it perfectly, because arguing with someone that out of it would have been pointless. What do you guys think? Did the judge go too easy on him, or was that the right call? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more wild courtroom moments like this one.